Ngồi xuống nha, ngồi xuống con. Hi Theodore. Hello Ben.
Mấy cái mùa lễ này bây giờ nó hay ra nhiều Spider-Man.
Hello Max.
Trong năm á, cái khoảng
Hi Chuchu. Rồi bé ngồi xuống, tàu chạy nè con. Bé ngồi xuống, ở Theodore ngồi xuống. Hello Max. Hai con. Tàu chạy rồi nè. Yeah. Lên đường.
Hello and welcome to the Coast Cruise. My name is Captain Sarai, and if you can hear me, give me a big thumbs up. Alright, now for your safety, please remain seated and keep your arms and legs inside the boat at all times. Now reach into your seats and grab those seatbelts. Just kidding guys, there are no seatbelts on this ride. We're gonna start our tour here on the left with Rocky the water buffalo. He stands at 6 feet tall, weighs 350 pounds, and is constructed of 310,000 Lego bricks.
Wow, 10,000 Lego, huh?
And on the right, just past these rocks, we'll see everybody's favorite mama and papa tortoise popping through treat and all their eggs. Yes, folks, they've been patiently waiting for those eggs to hatch for the last 20 years. I guess they're just not ready to come out of their shells. Many people ask me, how was Legoland built? Well, I'll tell you, it was built one brick at a time. Also, with the help of a couple friends up ahead, on the left we have Bronte the Brontosaurus. He is our hardest worker here at Legoland. And on the right is Lazy Pete the Green Dragon. But they forget to mention that you get wet on this ride. Everybody in the gray row, be prepared. Just kidding, guys. We're all in the gray row.
The boat is coming! Quick, shut off the water! See, that's what
Elephant.
And here we come to the African coast where you're going to meet my other very good friend, Elsie the elephant. She stands at 7 feet tall, is constructed of 282,000 Lego bricks. And she loves to say hello and goodbye. Everybody wave hi and bye to Elsie. Hi, Elsie. Bye, Elsie. What's that? Oh no. It looks like our dino construction crew went on a break and have left Steve hanging.
Whoa, down below! Ow!
I've got it! Just hang on!
Wow!
Don't worry about Steve, kids. He's yours. I don't think... Our master model builders are responsible for all of the models here at Legoland. Today they invite us on a world tour. Our first stop is London, England. Here in London we have the Elizabeth Tower and the London Eye. Fun fact about the Elizabeth Tower is that the bell inside is called the Big Ben. And fun fact about our Elizabeth Tower is that the time is accurate.
Từ đó mình đi qua cái cầu này con, đó đi qua cái hầm cái cầu nè.
Now we're approaching the Lionsgate Bridge, where each of the lions on top are constructed of 17,000 Lego bricks. And I'm not lying about that. Now many people call it the Waffle Bridge, and if you don't get that joke, it's over your head.
Oh, it's a waffle chef right here.
And coming up on the left-hand side is our monumental labor of love, the Taj Mahal of India. The real Taj Mahal was built in the 17th century. It took 20,000 people 22 years to build. Ours didn't take that long and is constructed of 143,000 Lego bricks. Here at the Coast Cruise, we like to call it the Taj plus one.
Our tower.
Now we're sailing away from India and heading towards Paris, France with the Eiffel Tower. In 1889, Gustave Eiffel designed the Eiffel Tower. It stands at 1,000 feet tall and weighs about 1,000 tons. Ours isn't quite that tall or heavy. It is 17 feet tall and made out of 117,000 Lego bricks. It is said if you go to the top of the tower and look out over the city of Paris, you're sure to get an eyeful.
President đó.
And now we're heading back to the United States in the Black Hills of South Dakota with our Mount Rushmore. And here we have the 4 presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. All 4 faces combined to the total of 230,000 Lego bricks.
Except George, we have company.
Ôi chắc coi.
What's the matter, George? Afraid to face them?
What?
Come on, George. Don't you have a backbone? Honestly, you two.
Theodore thấy cái mắt chớp không? Thấy cái mắt lát mấy cái mắt nó chớp đó Theodore.
Oh, come on, Lincoln. Where's your sense of humor?
It's been 70 years since you said something funny, Teddy, and it'll be 74 years until you do again. Just ignore them, George.
What?
Oh.
Now we're sailing towards Miniland, USA, where we have New York, San Francisco, Las Vegas, and a few other cities within. And if you look to the far left corner, way in the back, you'll see our Lego Death Star, which only took 500,000 Lego bricks. Here is our Statue of Liberty. She stands at 6 feet tall and is constructed of 122,000 Lego bricks. Behind her, you'll see the New York Manhattan skyline, which took a total of 8 million Lego bricks. All of Miniland uses a combined total of 60 million Lego bricks.
Ừ đúng rồi. Ông trực thăng kìa, thấy đó, thấy máy bay trên tòa nhà không? Đang quay kìa. Thấy không?
What's the duck's favorite food? Quackers. What do you call a seat left lies over the babe? A bagel. We're gonna cross under the Lionsgate Bridge one more time. I want you to give me a big giant lion's roar on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, good job, guys. And here we come to the New England Harbor. This is a very active area, folks. You never know what you might see on this shoreline. Oh no, it looks like the liver's having some heart problems.
Con vịt giả hả? Con vịt giả nè. Nó kìa.
Don't worry about Gulliver, folks. Looks like nothing a little plastic surgery can't fix. Well, that concludes our time here at the Coast Cruise, but we leave you with some entertainment by our resident octopus band. They are constructed of 288,000 Lego bricks. We have Paul McSharkney playing the guitar and Rico Starfish playing the clamshells, playing their favorite